What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you the F64 Ultra box modification and how to remove FRP by ISP for Samsung A14 by CPU drilling. As you see, we have drilled the CPU and we just soldered, or we connect it by jumper by soldering. We jump all the ISP point out, as you see. And the box modification is we have to direct these resistors, 4 resistors, and for UFS, and also we remove these resistors, and also in the front we place 10 ohms resistor to work the UFS, and we soldered on the number 2. As you see, we have connected, and we will just connect the box and try to connect by eMMC mode. Now we just connect by clicking this play button. After it connected, we go to eMMC and we click on ISP mode, and we click on the reconnect button. Now we will wait until it's connected. It's connected now, it's processing and backing up the all file which have been needed. If the phone is corrupted or something, it will be restored by your manual. Watch the whole video of the process, how to remove the FRP. You can just comment me if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. በቃ ቆይ እስከሚከፍት ከታገሽኝ ደስ ይለኛል። ኔክስት እስኪ ቆይ እስከሚከፍት ብቻ፣ ከዛ ቁልፏ እንደሌለች ከታየ ከዛ ፏላ ማለት ነው። በቃ አንቺ ምን ይቀርጽልሻል? ዙም አደራረግሽ ምናምን እኮ ስለተመቸኝ የምሬን እኮ ትክክለኛ የካሜራ ይለቅ በቃ ስኬፕ አለ።